morning, good morning. This is which one now? Oh, come up different this time around. Good morning, hope all is well. Thank you for joining my live. Okay. Happy Friday, guys. Happy. Happy Friday. Good morning. Oh, Lord. My phone I charge some just on the other side here. Me a rain it a chew. Rain was chewing on. Like we a get juju. Night dew a fall like a night time. Some of the night them rain a dew. No fall every night just a dew. You can't hear the water and drip off of the earth. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? Thank you for joining my life. Hope all is well. Happy Friday. How is your Friday? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you for joining if you are still here. Good morning, silent watchers. Good morning. How are you this morning? Thank you for the like. The month almost finished already. Can't believe it. Today is the 19th of December. Yeah? Moving really fast. Yeah. The time is going by so quickly. Yeah. It's going by really fast. Yes. So good morning. Moya, hi. Moya. Hi everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thank you for joining. How is your morning? Hope all is well. Man, good morning. My phone a charge, so yeah, may I try make it fully charged, I guess. Yeah, the birds them chirping again. I say we don't know what them birds there is like every morning them come that side and chirping. No, we have to give God thanks for life. That's the first thing. Giving God thanks for life and hoping that the new year will be a blessing to all. Yeah, hope the new year will have great things in store for all of us. Yep. Yes, so I am here giving God thanks for life. Hopefully, everything will go okay for everyone. Yeah. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all doing great. Can you hear the cockapoo? The rain was doing not much long. I get Christmas tree. You know, night time, sometime they have juju water. The rain was like falling but lightly. Can you hear the water dripping out the roof? Jamaica is very nice. You know something where the old time people have used to do back in the days. What I remember about them the juju water, them said the juju water good for wash your face, you know. Yes, the juju water good for wash your face. You come out in the early morning and you have like dashing leaf at home, or if you're gone, probably say you reach at your ground, in the early morning. The dasheen leaf them always have the droplets of the juju water on it. Yes. And them just use it and wash them face with it. Mm-hmm. Just use it and wash them face. Mm-hmm. The birds chirping. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You kind of listen to the birds, them a chirp, you know? Yeah. Listening to the sounds of nature. Yes? The sounds of nature. Good morning. How are you? How is your morning? Thank you for joining my life. Hi, Glenn. How are you? Good morning. Thank you for joining. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Thank you for passing through. I appreciate it, yeah? Thank you. Thank you for the light. My God is awesome. is awesome, you know. Every day, every day more and more we appreciate what the Lord has done for us all. Yeah. Father God will take all of us over into 2026. You know, God is good all the time. Yes, He is. Mhm. They are still. I'm charging the phone, so we just here. I don't know. Where are they? Wake up and I wonder if I want nightingale that I might not sound good. Every morning the bird them, like you have different types of birds. Every morning they make like different sounds. They are rejoicing it's daylight. It is daylight. It's early morning here in JA. Early morning in JA. Early morning. That's a truck. Yep. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. But you kind of feel chilly, you know. Maybe see if somebody outside. Good morning. How is your morning? Hope all is well. Glenn saying hi. Yeah, but there you're gone, yeah? There you're gone. It's Friday. Mm. Well, if it is Friday, where you are, yeah, or any other day, you know, Friday probably passed in some country already. So, thank you for joining my live this morning. Yeah, how are you all doing this morning? Hope all is well. Mhm. No, the Q&A have come up by itself, or me have to put it up now. I don't know. Oh, so the screen can small up, really? Okay. The Q&A and poll. How do I get the screen to get back the way it was? So good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you for joining my live. How is your Friday going so far? Hope all is well. I hope all is well. Thanks to all the persons who joined, you know. Just have you put up there. Q&A. And then now the screen kind of gets small. You know, things kind of change up a bit. Yeah. Yes. You know, this morning, I just come live because my hardly I come live. Yeah. In another week here, probably say me come live. Some days me come live like one time. Cause what? May I do some stuff, so eventually that is why. Hi Lottie, how are you? Good morning. You're up early. Girl, me never want to get up out of my bed, you know. Tell you the truth. Me never want to get up out of my bed. But me have to get up. I did want to stay in my bed. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to you too, my dear. How are you? You're on IG, sis. Yes, I'm on IG. When you go on IG, just type in Abigail, right? Type in Abigail, right? I don't quite remember the I don't remember if it is 593 something like so. Whether it's backwards or it's frontwards. Yeah. But once you type in Abigail, right, you will see me come up. I think me have on one black blouse and me braid my hair. Is a picture when me take or let me show you the picture. I think it's on here as well. The same picture me have on Facebook. That picture there. So when you go on IG, that's what you're going to see. Once you type in Abigail, right? Yeah, persons are gonna start come up. So this one is me. I think the number is 593, or is it 935, something like so. Yeah, but it's Abigail, right? When you type in that, you see that picture like come up. Hi, how are you? Lati said, okay. Good morning, my sister. Good morning, Italian. How are you? Hope all is well. How is your morning? Me there I do some. Me say, me never know say I say time gone, you know. When me look, it was like, when me look, me say the 17th, since in a week here, must say Wednesday. I may say, well, what's the time gone already? Quick, the time, the month done. Eh? The month finished already, guys. May I tell you? Yeah, so Italian say, how are you, my sister? Me good. Hey, I'm good. Italian say it's 50 degrees here and raining. It was raining here, you know, but it never did a rain hard. It's like you know, like night dew a fall, but in the hours cool. It cold where you are, Lati. In the night, like after 1, so coming down to the early morning cool. So sometimes, you know, you're there in your bed, you don't feel like you want to get up because the tile cold at a 1 and the place cold. Yeah. So Lati say, my birthday tomorrow. Why, girl? Yes, your birthday tomorrow. Wow. Happy birthday when it comes, my sister, yeah? Tomorrow, the 20th. Yeah, your birthday. Yes. Girl, God bless, yeah? Lottie say, guys, tomorrow is Lottie's birthday. So what are you doing for your birthday, Lottie? You go sport? All time people say you go sport. Yeah? In the week a grand market. In the week a grand market day. You know, normally they have the pre grand market. All time people call it Sugarfoot Grand Market. And then the 24th is the real grand market. And the 25th is Christmas Day. My mother-in-law's birthday is Christmas Day. Yes. I know a lot of December born persons. Italian say my son's birthday is the 21st. Is lie, I tell it. You know what I say? I have my two other kids' father birthday is the 21st of December. Yeah. His birthday is the 21st of December. Yes, Latte, yes, Italian. He will be, nah, Jesus. He will go be 21. And his birthday is the 21st. See? Hear there? So him even up and up on him on a date. Him even up on a date. Yeah. The 21st is his birthday and he's going to be 21 as well. That is awesome. Tell him I said happy birthday, yeah? When it comes. Lottie say, beautiful, happy 21st to your son. Yeah, Lottie. Happy and nice people born in a December, you know. Yeah. All of the people that are born in a December, them nice. Yeah. That no means that everybody else month not nice, you know, but me I say. People are born December, January, yeah. The other months, them nice, but you know, some of the months, them, I would say, don't mess with them, yeah? Don't mess with them. They are like the Scorpio one, them people, yeah? Yeah. Hi, good morning. How are you? Thank you for joining. Italian say, my husband. Italian say, that's great. My husband's was December 17. Wow, happy belated. LOL. That is a LOL. Italian say LOL. Happy belated to your husband, Italian. Yeah. Paid nice people born in December. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. Thank you. I'm gonna say ball. Balls. Balls try. Thank you for joining. I hope you are well. Just okay, passing through. I dropped a like. Okay, thank you for dropping a like and thank you so much for passing through. We appreciate you joining. Yes. How was your day or how is your day going so far? Hope all is well on your side, yeah? And if it's your birthday, happy birthday when it comes, or happy birthday, happy belated birthday. Yes, because we're talking about birthday. Hi, Jones, how are you? Good morning. How is your morning? Italian say, I am March. Hey, my daughter one is March. And I did know a lot of persons that born March. Our great grandmother they born March. Our son born March. About two pitney she have a born March. And her aunt was March. Yes. Yeah, so I know a lot of persons were born March as well. Mm-hmm. So Italian birthday is March. Italian say I March baby LOL. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Happy belated birthday. I know you guys waited for your birthday to come around again, you know. My daughter. Hey, she soon here she has my birthday soon come. Yeah. Joan say good morning. Thank you, Jones. How is your morning? Thank you for the like, guys. Italian say I am still waking up. LOL. I am drinking my coffee. Hey, you have to drink tea, guys. The place where you live, cool. Me see you do one shorts the other day, and me I tell you, me never know see you so. Where you are, cool. A pay snow, man. Pay snow. You're in the freezer. Yeah? Oh, you'll be okay. 49. Wow. That is so nice. Me not read so far. Me in my 40s, but me not reach so far yet. You know, sometimes when you're there, you know, and you say your age a go up like that, you know, sometimes it makes you miss the younger you know. Because, you know, you have to just ask God for just give you long life and things like that, you know. Morning. You have to ask God to give you. Sometimes I look on it and say, boy, you know, but it's just a process where all that we have to go through. Yeah. Hmm? Not it. Yeah. Maybe it's a difference. Mm. So, Italians say, definitely in the freezer, LOL. You're younger than me, LOL. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah. And the mango tree are a rain a drop still. Mango tree a drip off the water. Only round this up. Somebody have to ask. Rain a fall only round this up. Me don't know. Look, if you see none. Me have to stretch every minute. My body does feel like me want exercise or something. Just look, you see that part there, we have the two side, past that part there, and go down at the next part. If you don't see none, you have to just drink some of that. Cause them something they done really fast. You see one? I'll go down, you see one. Say thank God you see one. You're very lucky. Eh? Yeah, so Italian say, yeah. You look like you're in your 30s. No, me in my 40s. Yeah. I'm gonna be 43. January comes. Yeah. I will be 43. 43. Yeah. I just need to wash my hair and do my hair, you know, for look kind of fresher. You know, I'm aging, I can see it. There's nothing wrong with aging, you know. But the thing is this, sometimes you do think back and say, boy, you know. Sometimes I look back and I say, Jesus, may I get old. May I get old, man, may I get old. You know? Yeah, that sort of thing. Yeah. You know, how quickly time pass by. You know? Lati say, me I go do some painting, sis. Okay, Lati, you're busy, bad. Lati, I go do some painting. Me there I do some stuff too, but we not start do the painting part yet. We not start do the painting part. We not start do the painting part yet. Are the fire that goes so? If you use one of the lighter way, you can manage. Because you hear that whoop there a while ago? Hey, no sir. Yeah. Yes, Lati. Lati is gonna do some painting, guys. Yes, have a great day, Lati, and everyone else, you know. You know. Italian say yes, I do. Times flies. Yeah, time fly for real. I am doing nothing right now. LOL. Yeah, because you did a lot over the time when like Thanksgiving coming up. You did a lot, so I guess you did everything already. So it's time for you to relax. But for us here, we have things to do because for me, for the week here, I was like mostly cleaning and stuff like that I was doing. Yeah, so we still have some more cleaning to do. So day by day, I take on something. No. Day by day, I take on something, you know, until me finish. Day by day. You have to just take things one step at a time. So by tomorrow Saturday, yeah. By tomorrow Saturday, me done do me I do. I'm on the last lap. Yeah. I'm on the last lap. Then I gotta just put on my table covers on the table. I'm not gonna put it on so early. I put it on like probably when I soon Christmas Day. You know? When you have kids, you don't want them like spill anything on the table cover. So you just put it on like the night before Christmas Day. Hi, good morning. How are you doing, Tommy? How are you doing? Good morning, man. Good morning, sis. Good morning, Tommy. How are you? Thank you for joining. Italian can sit down and relax and watch we work, you know. Yeah, watch we work, you know, Lati. Yeah, watch we work, you know, Italian. Lati go and do our painting. Yeah. Italian say my granddaughter is trying to walk. That's nice. She go walk for the by January, so she walk good. Yeah. That is nice. Trying to walk already. and she just turned 7 months. Yeah, most children walk when they are 7 months. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Most children walk when they are 7 months. They say normally some children they talk before they walk. Some walk before they talk. Yeah. But it is good when she wanna walk quick. Yeah. How you mean? That our New Year's gift to you guys. She'll be walking. Yeah. So Tommy said not good this morning, sis. What happened? You're not good this morning? So sorry to hear that you're not good. Hope all is going to be well soon, okay? I pray that everything will be okay. Italian say I love painting. Yeah, me like painting as well. Italian say they go so fast. Yes. Nowadays we Jamaicans say pitney na stay a ground. Pitney na stay a ground again. As them born so. Look here, you see nowadays when babies born, you can't really leave them on bed like that, You can't leave them on bed like that because soon, the baby start roll and them something there. So normally people would like catch two pillar when them asleep and something like that. Yeah. Them now stay a gang. Them by the time you look, the time just fly gone and them start walk. Italian say yes, it's good. Yeah man, it's good. Tommy say my sister gone home this morning. She gone home as in gone somewhere else. Gone back home to her home. Is that what you mean, Tommy? She gone home to her home? Because we Jamaicans sometimes we use the home in a different way. Yeah, so if it is gone home to her home, maybe she will soon come back if that's what you're saying. Or you can ask her if you come back, come spend more time with you if that's what you're saying. Wow. That's what I am thinking. Because we Jamaicans, when we say gone home, the person gone home, we mean the person passes off. Sometimes that's what it means. I'm so sorry to hear that your sister passes, She gone home to Jamaica. Whoa. I'm so sorry to hear that your sister passed, But sometimes when these things happen, we don't know really what a person is going through, so we can't really, we just can't tell you say just hold on to the memories. Just hold on to the memories that you have, because I would say if the person was sick, you know, sometimes when a person is sick, they're going through a lot of pain, they're going through a lot. Sometimes them sick, they can't eat, they can't eat certain things, and so God will just take them because of the situation that they're in. So all we can do now is just pray and hope that they are with God, yeah, and hold on to the memories, and time to come, as the days progresses, you will still remember your sister, but maybe next year this time, God spare our life, you will still remember, but it's gonna be in a way it kind of go fade away, like you're not gonna feel so bad again like how you feel now. As the days progresses, you're gonna like a talk about things where you and her do together, things that you've been through together, and how your sister was back then, you know. But you know, you have to just thank God for her life that she lived when she was here on this earth. Because I'm telling you, right now we as well have my grand uncle by my grandmother's side. He also passes as well, so I have a funeral to go to as well down the line. When last year September, I heard that my uncle passed away as well. And I'm telling you, when my uncle passed away, I felt it. I felt it really, really deep. Even my brother passed a couple years ago, and I'm telling you, I felt it really, really deep. But as time progresses, you will heal. Yes, because you know that they normally say, as they say, that word, the D word, it has a time to steal us away. Yeah. So when that time comes, we have to make sure we go with the place where we want to go. Person say in heaven. But overall, they say that road is for all of us. And from a person is going to, if a person pass off sudden, because my uncle passed away sudden. He was just on the road driving, they say, and he had like a heart attack. Yeah, so that was sudden. But if the person is like sick and going through it for like maybe 2 years, 3 years, you feel it, but say the person was going through it. So you can't question God. You can't question God. Why? Because the person was going through like a lot of pain, and depend on the condition that the person was in. You know, you wouldn't want a person to be like living through that situation like forever, you know, in pain every day. So one day God is just gonna take them home. Yeah. So we know we leave back here. We have to just remember them, remember the good times, remember when we and them used to, you know, do things together. You can remember conversations that you had. Up till now, my uncle number still there on my phone. Up till now. But you know, God knows best. So we have to just take things one step at a time, one day at a time. And as the time progresses, we will all heal. You know? Yes. A little from now, you're hurting now and you're wondering, you know, but a little from now, like as the days progresses, the months progresses, your sister is just gonna be a memory that you hold close to your heart forever. You know? Yes. So that's how it is when a person passes. But our condolences to you and your family, and we understand because we all, even Italian had her brother passed as well recently. So we all go through it at times, you know. But you know, sometimes you talk to God and you say, God, you know, I hope my sister is in a better place. Yeah. And you will heal, you will feel, time to come, you will feel much better than how you feel now. You're feeling this way because it just happened, you know? So you will feel better time to come. Yeah. So Italian was saying, yeah, so Italian said, sorry, hope everything is okay. Yes. Yeah, you will heal, you will heal. Time to come, you will feel much better than you feel now. Yeah. And once you have like persons around you to comfort you in certain ways, you know, you will feel better as the days progresses. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Silent watchers as well can relate to what we're saying. Yeah. So we're here whenever you feel like coming over, you know, you can come over and we can talk and stuff like that, you know. We're here for each other, yeah? Yeah. Italians say, no, they definitely do. I feel like it was just yesterday. Mine was starting to walk. Okay, now I has baby LOL. Yeah, so Tommy said me and her was so close. Yeah, that normally happen to persons. I want to tell you something. You know, say the lady will take care of me. Her sister took care of her when she was sick, right? And it is very strange. Did you know that when the lady passed away, her sister got sick and her sister also passed away? The two of them, it's like the sister couldn't believe it, because the thing is this, when she was sick, right, her sister was taking care of her, and the two of them staying at the same room. So you know, them get even closer, right? So when the sister passed away, the other sister now is like she can't believe it, and she get sick, you know. You know when you can't believe something and you just had like, her bowels was moving like crazy. Her bowels was moving like crazy because she can't believe. So she passed away as well, and the two of them bury the same time. The two of them end up in a church, two casket side by side, same time. Yeah, so I see that it happens to a lot of persons at times where it turns out that way, but the two of them had a bond, yeah. So the other one couldn't believe it. Her sister passed away, and I'm telling you, it happened that the two of them buried one time. Two of them buried one time. I'm so sorry for your loss. Yeah. So sorry, Tommy, for your loss. Thank you so much. Yeah, but as the day progresses, you will feel better. For now, you can't believe it. You can't believe it. It is like you're in a shock. But as the day progresses, you will feel much better, you know? Yeah. Tommy says so. Tommy says sorry to hear about your brother. Yeah, man, my brother passed off when my daughter just born, my little daughter. He passed away. He did sick when me pregnant with her. He did sick. And at one point me asked, is he okay now? And they said yes, he was okay. When I heard that he passed, it was like in October when it was Heroes Day. Heroes Day. I don't forget it when they say call me and say your brother is in the hospital. His heart is failing. Oh my God. Me say a ball, a ball, a ball. It's when me reach a funeral. Oh gosh. At that the time me ball. Yeah, water just a run. Them time there. I go open the door. Who is that? Whoa, the wind came under running. Hey, who? Mama, mama, mama. Hey. That is the, I would say that is the cycle. That is the cycle of life. Yeah? That is the cycle of life. That is how much I have to feed the dog. That is how the cycle of life is. Yeah? Like they say, baby are born, and they say normally when you hear a certain bird, the Jamaican saying, when you hear a certain bird, when you have a bird that makes a sound in the late night, they say whether baby are born or somebody passing. Yeah? So, yeah, it's just the way life is, you know? Yeah. When me reach a funeral, me cry. Me cry cause, you know, ball. And me say the best one. The best one gone. The best one gone, you know? Me have a t-shirt all now. New brand same way cause we never get to wear it. But me keep it as a souvenir. Me keep it as a souvenir, me I tell you. Yeah? So Italian say, my condolences, my sister, on your losses too. Yeah. Thank you, Italian. Italian say thank you. So true, my sister. Yeah. Tommy say yes, sis. You will feel better, you know. You will feel better, and she wouldn't want you to be there and sad. She would want it to be there and unhappy. She wouldn't want it to be there and crying your eyes out either. She would want it to be happy. Because what? In a way, she will be still here, but it's only true. You cannot see her, you cannot hear her, but she will be still around. But the only thing is her human self isn't there, you know. She's gone to a better place now because there is so much one's body can take. So if a person is going through it and they're sick, you know, when the passes, we have to just thank God for the life that they lived and stuff like that. We can't question God because God knows best. Yes. So if a person is there and they're going through it, you know, God knows that they're suffering. You know, pain and our easy something for a person that go through pain day in, day out. When you get some sleep, the person can't sleep because they're sick. The illness so they have, you know, they must struggle day by day, night, you know. It's hard for persons who are sick. Yeah, so you have to just thank God for the life where the person lived over the period of time that they was on this earth. Yeah. And hope that they are in a better place. Italians say, wow, really? Oh no, so sad. They were so close. Yeah. They were close. Really, really close. But you know, even sometime a person have like a twin, and sometime the twin passed away, leave one. One passed away, leave one. And that is even more hard because sometimes everywhere you see one, you see the other. They like to do things together, you know, and eventually they they mourn, yes, until the mourning process is over. Then they will try to like move on with their lives. But if you ask them anything about the person that passes, they will tell you a whole heap of things because they just want somebody to be there to tell the stories and things like that, because when you do that, it helps with your healing process as well. You can laugh about things that happen and things that the person might have said that is funny and stuff like that. So in that sense, the person lives on by just talking about the person. The person lives on. Yes. Mm-hmm. Italians say I can understand the disbelief is hard to get through. Yes, it is hard to get through, yes, but after a while, as time progresses, because even me, when my brother passed, I was so, for a while, I was so hurt because I really, really love my brother, but after a while, it becomes like a distant memory. Yeah? Yes. You remember the person, but for some reason, God God make it becomes a distant memory. Yeah. So in other sense there, you no longer cry, you no longer feel sad, you no longer like wondering why and stuff like that. You're no longer upset, right? Because you know that this is a process that all of us have to go through, you know. A lot of us don't really want that process, but it is there. There's nothing we can do about it. Besides, when we lost a loved one, we do the normal thing that we normally do. We cry, we wish the person were still here, and we do whatever it is that we need to get done. We go to funeral, and afterwards we're there thinking about the person still, until as the time progresses, it's going to be like a distant memory, you know? Yes, it's gonna be like a distant memory. So, yeah, this belief is, yeah, because at first, yeah, I say, why the person have to go? And it's like you just constantly I repeat it. I say, so and so pass off. The person pass off. I can't believe it. When my uncle pass off, that's how I just repeat it every minute and say, oh, I can't believe it saying pass off. I can't believe it saying gone, You can't believe it, but you know, a person can be at anywhere at any time, and when the time come, it's just their time come, you know. You hear normally sometime a person go on the road or a person might just be somewhere and then just drop down and I eat that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So as I always say, we have to expect the unexpected. Because once you expect the unexpected, eventually you won't be so much of a, it won't be so much of a shock, I would say. Yeah, because even my granduncle, he was sick. He was sick for a long time. He's like 90 something. Yes, he's in his 90s. You know, my condolences to his family. That's my mother, brother. I didn't really know my grandmother like that. Them say when me born, me see her like one time and then she passes. I guess she did have cancer, yeah. So she passes. I didn't get to really know her, but I get to know her brother, my granduncle. Very nice man, yeah. Very, very nice man. So Italians say yes, that's the cycle of life. Yes, that's the cycle of life. So true. Yeah, that's the cycle of life. If you look on the plants, so you know, just like how the trees at times the trees die, right? And then when you look, you see like a new tree coming up. That's the cycle of life. So, you know, we are here left behind and stuff like that, but you know, that's the cycle of life. That's how life set up. So, you know, Italians say yeah. Yes, that is so true. Yeah, so Tommy, you have to just tell yourself, say yes, you will get through it. You and your family will get through it together. Yeah. So once you get through it together, it will be okay. Yeah. You know, just lean on each other's shoulder. And, you know, remember about things that you guys did together. Remember the good times and stuff like that. One memory that I hold close to my heart is when we was going down the country. He was driving, you know, driving a walk back van and we in the vehicle. We did go around. We did have like 2 men in the country and the whole he came and picked me up. Yes, because my auntie tell him, say, stop and pick up Abby. Yeah. And he picked us up and you know, it was a great day we had with him. He's so jovial, may I tell you. Full of vibes and jovial. Yeah. So yeah. Yes. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Patrick, how are you? I am upset. Why are you upset? Good morning. Why are you upset? Hope all is well. Thank you for joining my live. Yeah, so, you know, we cry until we stop crying, you know, and after a while it becomes a distant memory. Yeah, feeling jealous. I feeling jealous. Am I not know you? What are you saying? Patrick, feeling jealous. Am I not saying? Well, Italian said, I am in a great mood this morning. My sister, it's always nice to see you. It's always nice to see you too. Yeah, I'm happy to see you guys. Yeah, I'm telling you, I love when you guys come on the live. I'm not lying. Yeah, we 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 have a connection. We have a whole a conversation. And things go well. Yeah, I'm telling you. My co-host is always Italian. Yeah, Italian one of the day we have to go live together. Yeah, we have to go live together one of the day. Even Lati, but Lati say our internet now work so good because of the hurricane that passes. It never did work good to that before, but now she says she can't really go live because the internet now work good. Yeah, you look so humble. Yes, I am a humble person. Yeah, I love people and I don't like to see people hurting at all. I don't like to hear sad stories. I don't like, because you know why? It's gonna rest on me. Yeah. So whenever I hear like somebody going through something, or that's why for me, I like for me, I like when if per se I am on a live, it have to be like persons talk about everyday things that happen, and I would say not so much negative things, because I don't want to feed off that energy. That's me. Because once a person like keeps on talking negative things, then I am gonna soak up all that in. So I am on the calmer side. Yeah, I am on the calmer side. So because of that, I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but everybody have them time when they probably get upset. But for me, I am a person who is really calm. Yeah. So like the energy, once the energy is good, then I am always humble. Always like this. So sometimes when people come to my life, they don't really stay. They don't really stay because they're saying, oh, she's just there. She's so humble. I guess that's not what they're looking for. So they move on. Yeah. They're not looking for the humbleness. Yeah. So Italians say, I'd love to go live with you, my sister. Yes, Italian. One of the day. Tell me when you can, and then we will go live together. And Patrick say, hi, Italian. It's all good. Patrick say, are you in Jamaica? Yes, I am in Jamaica. Italian say, hi, Patrick. No, I am in the USA. Patrick say, I am in Canada. Okay. Thank you for joining the live. Italian say, when I come on your live with you, they will stay. I am funny. I am also funny. I can be, but sometimes that part comes out, sometimes it doesn't. You know? Some of the live them when me watch it, I kind of laugh because me I say, somebody that go on for the live, you know? Yeah, that sort of thing. Yeah, sometimes when you watch back the replay, you get to find out like how you was acting, or you know, if you was like on the calmer side or you was on the vibesier side. Sometimes I'm on the vibesier side, sometimes I'm on the calmer side, you know. It depends on the mood. Yeah, it depends on the mood. But I love your accent. Yeah. Italian. So Italian said, any morning you can, I am free, my sister. Okay, Italian, I will. So yeah, so just you can send me a message. I think my number is on here, yes, as well. Yeah, so I will send you the link so you can join. Italian say Canada. That's awesome. Open. 1 minute, guys. Mr. Malcolm, come here, little. Look. The fridge. She does say something about the fridge, and like she has said, that melt the things that melt out. Look outside if you it plugged out right so? Yeah, come on. It draw out right here so. Eh? So wait, when I sprung on? You want one of the something there. Gone. Yeah, so maybe. I didn't do buy one of the extension something today. Buy one of the I forgot buy one because the one I did so it stop work. So him will look funny and fix it. Them they are gonna use this morning. And that's supposed to tough. Just recipe on the something where they not do it by them time there. So him soon can look funny. Him want one of the what you call it something there? Them plug something we have like more than one. One day they sub out the Wi-Fi something in it. I'm not gonna wash today. Yeah, so sorry about that guys. Yeah, so yeah. Patrick say Italian say I am Italian, American, Indian and Irish born in the US. Yeah. Patrick said makes sense. Okay. I am mouth LOL mixed. Lord Jesus. Nationality. Mixed nationality. LOL. Oh well, that's life. LOL. Yeah, so that's just how life is sometimes. Yeah. Oh Lord. All in another December year, a lot of persons, you know, they might feel like take time drive on the road. Take time drive on the road because you know when you did your drive and probably they on east figure somewhere. You know they normally whichever holiday you always hear a lot of accident happening on the road. Because I guess people cannot wait. Them in the line, a driver go on, them come out of the line, them drive over on the other side and a speed because you know that's the next side of a traffic that should be going up. So yeah, so guys, be cautious. Drive with caution on the road. Yeah, take care of yourself, take care of other persons as well who are driving on the road. Your fridge chipping there now. My daughter, I am telling you, the big one. The big one. And she just there saw this chip me, you know. The fridge come on, you know. Me I tell her, I say, sometimes the fridge we did a defrost. Yeah, the fridge come on. I am telling you. My daughter. Yeah. So Patrick said I am Oh, you're whiter than snow. Oh, Lord. You're whiter than snow. Italian say, I am a mix. Hey, something I go with the tone up on the live this morning, you know. I am whiter than snow. One say, Italian say, I say mix, big, mix bag, like mixed nuts. Mixed nuts, LOL. A bag of fun. I'm telling you, she is. Patrick said, just kidding. I am Jamaican living in Canada for a while. For a while. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining my line. Ever. How are you? Everton. Thank you for joining, Everton. How are you? How is your Friday? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Italian say, I am not super light skinned. I am like LOL. So, oh, stars, Jamaica. Yeah, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Everton. Thank you for joining. Yeah, you're prettying up the screen. Thank you so much. Guys, remember to leave a like the live, guys. Thank you for the arts that was going up. I appreciate you guys so much. Silent watchers, big up yourself. I need a new glasses. Hopefully by January. My birthday is on the 4th of January. And I hope I can get myself a new test glasses for January. I hope. Yeah. Yes, my birthday is in January. Yeah. So Italian say, oh, okay, Patrick, that's funny. So you help, hopefully ain't whiter than whiter than white. LOL. Why do Jamaican people move? Really? Why do Jamaican people move to cold places? I love the tropical weather in Jamaica. Thank you, Everton. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. I'm getting that one early. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for joining as well. Yep. Thank you for the emojis going up. Patrick said no. Born in Greenwich Town, Kingston 13. Hey, Kingston 13. Huh. Yeah. Kingston 13, Jamaica. Well, you know why I would say Italian, why Jamaicans move to cold places. Some of them, and I really like say they love the cold place, But the only thing is they would say like the grass is greener on the other side. The grass is greener on the other side, so that's why they choose to go there. Yeah. And them place there, I would say I would love to go to one of those places one of the day. Sometime in the future. Yeah. Yeah. Mother love to see the snow too. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mother love to see the snow. Yeah. Feel the snow in my hand. Walk on the snow. Walk in the snow. Yeah. The snow falling down on you. That type of thing. I have some family in Winard Road as well. Winard Road. I remember a long time ago, my grandmother, by father's side, she was living on Oliver Road. Yeah, and I have some family by my grandfather's side that was living in Oliver Road as well. Living on Oliver Road. Further down the line, my grandmother moved, come down on Winard Road, where down in a them lane there side of the police station where I don't know what they call the lane, I don't remember. But you can, when you're walking coming down, you can see the sea. You can see the sea, we normally go down that side in the morning, go take a swim with grandma. That was nice. Me used to put on my grandmother bath suit, yes, and me and my other cousin them, yeah, my grandmother used to have enough bath suit. Anytime we go there, and we don't carry any swimsuit, she always give us one for wear. May I tell you, and I see where we granny a step I go down, go down at the sea. Yes, it was nice. Them time there did nice, may I tell you. Yeah, them time there did nice. Very, very nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's why Jamaicans some of them get filed for. Yeah, some of them family file for them and stuff like that. Some of them it's about work. Yeah, some of them it's about work. So them go to the greener side, forget where the grass is greener, and get work and if you can achieve, because you see out here, I would say out here in Jamaica, I don't know if everybody would agree, but when you're working, if you're even getting like say 50,000 for your pay, by the time tax done out it, and you need to buy some grocery, you need to pay your light bill, you need to pay your digital bill, you need to send your penny them go to school. All of the things that you have to get done out of that money. That money is done. Yeah, that money done. Maybe by the week we start, school week start, you don't have the money left. So by the other week come, 1 week a blank week. So by you going at the other week, where you going to get pay again, you don't have no money. No money for going a Monday week, the other week. That's how it's set up. Yeah? So as what most persons would say, you try and save something. Some of the time, some people can't even find what to save. Yeah. Sometimes some people cannot find what to save. Because if per se you have the last $5,000 in your account and you need to buy something or you need to send your children go to school. If you have one pitney I go to school right now, one pitney I go to school, per day you're spending roughly like $2,000 per day, because the smallest lunch at school of $550. So your child have to get water, juice, plus fare where you have to pay if you carry them. You have to carry that child to school, to and from school. So you know, you spend roughly $2,000 a day. $2,000 a day. So a lot of persons, they love their country, but because of how the economy is, they try to like find greener pastures, to elevate themselves some more, so that you know that where they go now they have to work extra hard, but and go out in the snow and all these things to go to work. But it's kind of better than out here. And take for instance, some person might say, oh Lord, I don't know how to manage out here, you know. I don't know how to manage out here because the food is expensive. Yeah. You're spending $10,000, and $10,000 out here, it cannot full a bag of grocery. Yeah? You buy a bag of grocery, God bless what is in there, and it's $10,000, $9,000 odd you spend, and you still not buy everything, because maybe some things that you might want, you still not buy yet. And you have to just tell yourself, say, boy, you know, me can't go buy that because me have light bill for go pay, me pitney for go to school Monday coming. Me did owe that person there on the road, me have to go pay them, me have to give them back their money, and whatever else that you have to get done. Light bill, water bill, and your internet bill, you know, sometimes doctor bill, and all these things comes in it as well, you know. So hi Bediana, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. Hope all is well. Italians, thank you for joining. Hope all is well. Okay, Patrick said no, life is good. Can't complain. Give thanks for life. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Because sometimes you're out here and you work and no care how hard you work, me I tell you. It come like say you work, but you still can't see your way out. A lot of persons can relate to that. You still can't see your way out. Not even for save. Not even for save. $1. For some persons. Yeah. So the only way now a person would like probably see something for save, you have your job, your 9 to 5, and you have like something going on at home where, yeah, you probably can save from what you have going on at home. If per se you have a business where you run from home or so, Yeah, you can save something from that. But not everybody have that. So some persons only have their 9 to 5. Yeah. Yes, Bediana, thank you for joining my live. Hope all is well. Italian say Canada is beautiful. Even it's cold. Yeah. Bediana, how are you? Happy Christmas, everyone. Italian say, but I don't suggest you walk barefoot in snow. It's dangerous. Can cause frostbite. Okay, but that's high. So I don't think I wouldn't do that, cause your foot bottom is something. Your foot bottom is very delicate. Bediana light done. Hi everyone passing by. Okay, my dear, thank you. I'll be coming over as well. Hope all is well. Italians say, wow, that's X. Yes. Yeah. Expensive, yes. Bediana say, I, everyone like done passing by. Thank you, Bediana. Thank you for the emoji, that hug art emoji. Italian say, I, my sister Bediana Walker doing. Oh, and then I miss you, I miss Yolanda. I miss Yolanda Wilson. Hi, thank you for joining. Good morning, my beautiful sister. How are you doing? My blessing and highly, my blessed and highly. Thank you. Favored of God. Thank you so much. Thank you for the emojis. Thank you so much. Hope all is well. I was watching something yesterday and yes, I love what I see. Yes, the family and you guys singing and stuff like that. That was awesome. I watched that one yesterday as well. Yeah. So Miss Wilson say hello. My darling, please send me your cash app if you oh shoot if you have one. If you have one. Okay. Hi KK, how are you? How are you, KK? Okay, Miss Wilson. KK, say good morning, Abby and people in the chat. How are you, KK? Thank you for joining. Patrick say after everything is said, after everything is said and done, when are you coming? Okay. KK, big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. I love hearing the Santa say that, you see. Oh, ho, ho. But say, the last time I go over Portmore, I see one Santa over there. Lord Jesus. You want to see the pitney them. I say, I don't know the pitney them love Santa, so you know. The pitney them, even, I think me have one little video with it, you know. With the Santa. When the pitney them go there and I fool around the Santa. Santa Claus, the real Santa Claus, guys, the real one. Yeah. So KK, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Italian is saying good morning to Miss Yolanda. KK. Say good morning, Abby. Yes, me read that one already. What did I miss? Italian say LOL won't be visiting. Oh, oh Lord. KK say I am okay. Thanks here at work. You're at work, KK. They not give you no day off. No, sir. I saw them are going. Look here, in Christmas, you know, people. They work the workers, them real hard in the Christmas, you know. May I tell you, you know. They work all overtime. Them work, some places they work all overtime. So Italians say, Merry Christmas. The Santa hat and the Santa head. Is that Santa? Or is it pumpkin? Santa. Yeah, and the Christmas tree. This time around, guys, I didn't. The time is flying so fast. I don't, we have like a little tiny tree. We have like a big tree, but I would say I need a new tree. Yeah, but because that one is there for like a long time, but I don't put up any tree. No, I don't put up any tree this time around. Miss Yolanda said, good morning, Italian, KK, heart emojis, prayers, amen. Thank you, Miss Wilson, for joining the live. Thank you so much. Yeah, so Italians, they love Santa. Yeah, I love Santa as well. I am a fan of Santa. Yeah. But I think we have the Santa hat, you know. We have the Santa hat as well. Me soon put on the Santa hat, guys. Anytime I dress up, then me put on the Santa hat. Yeah. Anytime I dress up and come on the live. So Italians say that's right. Yeah. Italians say hi. Yolanda. KK say I get Saturday. Oh, you get Saturday. Saturday and Sunday. Days off. Okay. My husband get the same thing to Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday him get. Abby, you take. Abby, if me bake already? No. Abby, you bake already? No, sir. Normally when we do our little baking is like, if per se we are going to bake, we would like bake like from, sometimes we bake nearer to Christmas Day, like Christmas a fall our Wednesday, them say this time around. So if it's gonna fall on Wednesday, we bake Tuesday. Yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah. So yeah, man. So KK, you're supposed to bake a whole heap already. Where is Miss Yolanda? Miss Yolanda gone? Miss Wilson. Hope all is well. Thank you for joining, guys. Yes, so Patrick say, who is Santa? Some people, may I tell you. So, you must say, who is Santa? All right. The way how I see Santa now, Santa can be anybody. Anybody. Yeah? So, anybody who you want Santa to be this Christmas, you just get the suit and you put it on them. Yeah? All right. Tell you a trick now. Get the suit. Patrick, you can get the suit, and put it on. And just tell yourself, say, all right, I am gonna go at the mall and I'm gonna sit down. Oh gosh, man. Stampede. He pity them. You say he pity them done run down for you? Me sorry for you. Yes, because the pity them love Santa. Yeah, even though they know it's not real, but the tradition and the person that dress up in the suit, they're gonna say, oh Santa, what you want for Christmas? Santa is gonna say, they're gonna ask Santa for something for Christmas, and Santa is gonna now say, you know what he's gonna give them for Christmas. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Santa is anybody who dress up in the suit. That's what I would say. Anybody who dress up in the suit as Santa. So now, Italian says Santa. This thing there, so Santa Claus, the big old guy. Oh Lord, Santa is always young. You notice Santa is always the way he looks. Every year Santa is the same. The gray beard and the hair and the belly and everything and the voice. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, that's Santa, that guy. Because Patrick is asking who is Santa. Yeah. So to play the part, you have to get the tummy as well. So if you have to get the tummy, the beard, the hair, and the suit and the boots. Yeah. The old guy brings presents to all the good children. So the children who are naughty won't get any presents. This year them can give them a blind, man. Them can give them a blind this year and give them presents, because maybe they won't be naughty next year. Right? So then can give them a blind this year. Patrick said, is he real? Hey, we make him real. Yeah. We made him real. Yeah. I didn't get nothing. Yeah, you didn't get nothing because maybe you have been naughty. Don't you hear? Santa don't give children who are naughty. They don't get any gifts. So if you have been naughty over the years, you won't get any gifts. That's why you're asking who is Santa. Because once you've been naughty, you're not going to get any gifts from Santa. That's how it goes. So that's why you see, most of the children, they try to be good. So when Christmas comes around, Santa can give them all the goodies, you know. And guys, remember to leave a glass of milk and cookies for Santa, because he'll be coming down through the chimney. Yes. So don't forget the glass of milk. Hi, Miss Yolanda. Miss Wilson, here is my new email. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. All right, let me write it down. I didn't know you could do that. You know, boy, anytime I get up my face church. Oh, Jesus. The room we didn't sit on. The way how me didn't sit down, and I have to get up one stretch. Stretch. So let me just write this down, guys. You know, see how me have to catch the glasses, you see? So it says W. Thank you, Miss Wilson. Yes. Hope all is well. I have to focus good enough to write down this, cause as me I say, my eyes them not so 100. IKK. I think I got it. Thank you, Miss Wilson. So, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah. Oh, I so much persons born December. Oh my God. So tomorrow is also Lottie birthday. Yes. Tomorrow is also Lottie birthday. Miss Wilson said all is well. Let me hear from you. Okay, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Wilson. You know, God bless and God keep you. And you know, you have a wonderful family. And you know, God richest blessings to you and your family. And God will help you to live to see many, 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 many more years to come. Yeah? Just continue to preach and talk about God. I love coming over and hearing the word. Yes? Yes. I love coming over and hearing the word as well. I would say I feel like I am at church when I come over. You know, I normally come over and just, you know, listen to the word, listen to the Bible scriptures and stuff like that. Because for me, it is important to keep in touch with God. KK as well. Sometimes when I go over there, I will go and go to the section where I can see KK husband preaching and talking about God as well. So for me, I believe in God. I strongly believe in God. And I have a lot of faith in God. Yeah? They say faith move mountains. So some of the time me even not talk to God. Because I do that a lot. Talking to God. I don't know. I know a lot of persons can relate to that. You did it, and you talk. Somebody might come around and say, oh, we are talk to. But you're talking to God. Yeah. You're talking to God. Yeah, so happy birthday to you, Miss Yolanda Wilson. You know, birthday shout outs to Miss Yolanda Wilson. And, you know, enjoy your day to the fullest. Yeah, I'll be coming over as well. Yes, I'll be coming over to watch you guys celebrate. If you're going live today, I'll be coming over. Happy 70th birthday to Miss Yolanda Wilson. Yes. Thank you. Yes. I received that blessing. Tell Lottie hi, happy blessed birthday. Tomorrow is our birthday. And she came on the live this morning. She said she was going to do some painting. Tomorrow is our birthday. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Wilson. Yes, so Patrick say, never mind. He'll have to put her in that bag. Oh, Jesus. You have to put a lot of toys in the bag. A lot of gifts. Italian say, I am cooking breakfast. I don't start cooking any breakfast as yet. I'm cooking breakfast, my sister. And I can tell what you're looking about. Oh, I can tell. Some nice breakfast. Patrick say, what's the difference between this faith and belief? Well, for some persons, what they do believe in is what they do believe in. But for most of us, we know that there is a God, because when you look on the cycle of life, as someone came in this morning and said he lost his sister, so we know there is a cycle, and pertaining to our everyday life, we know that there is a God. He put us to sleep and he wake us up. It is a cycle, something that we do every day, every single day that we wake up. He is the one who wake us up. We're here for the whole day. We're breathing okay. He is the one who is there. You know, we're like, we are like machines. You know, he kept our heart pumping straight throughout the day, straight throughout the night. And whatever, you know, the lungs, the breathing, you know how the lungs operate, right? Yeah. So that's God. If you have to get something done for today, He gives you the strength. You know, some persons would call upon God and say, God, you know, may have this faith. Even though sometimes you don't feel like you can do it, even though sometimes you don't feel up to it, you don't feel the strength, you don't know if you should, but God give you the energy and the drive to go and do whatever it is you have. And you know, by the time you start, the work seems lighter, or you say, boy, what a way me done do this quick. Me never know me could have do it, you know. Who could it be but God? Yeah. So it depends on what a person believe in, you know, and how strong your faith is as well. KK say happy birthday, Yolanda Wilson. Wishing you many more happy and prosperous one to come with God's richest blessings. Emojis, amen, heart and rose and emojis and cake. Thank you, KK. Miss Yolanda, guys. Miss Yolanda, she's a strong person, a strong believer in God. KK is also a Christian, Miss Yolanda. She is also a strong believer in God as well. And I think all of us here on the channel, Silent Watchers, and everybody else, guys, we all believe in God, but you know, how strong is our faith in God? We're supposed to be strong in God. Even if you're a sinner, make your faith be strong in God. Same way, it doesn't matter if you're a sinner or you're a Christian. Your faith supposed to be strong in God. Yeah. KK say, I'll be your son low. Yes. It have to do with the phone. Sometimes the phone is like that. It turn all the way up. Yeah, so that's just how it is sometimes. Patrick says, so what picture you see to describe God? What picture you see to describe God? I am just curious. Not that I don't believe there is. Okay. Well, some persons would say the picture that you see is not God. But for me, I know there is a God. But I am not gonna say, like they always say, is he white, is he black, them type of thing there. I won't put it in that context, but you just know there is a God. You grow up with Christian people, like for me, I grew up with Christian people. They go to like Church of God, yeah? So I grew up in the church, and when you look around and see all that is going on, you know that there's a greater being than us, yeah? So there is a God, yeah? There is a God, you know? The picture that you create for yourself in your mind, that's what you see. Yeah. So you create your own picture of God. in your mind. You love him, you embrace him, and he will be there for you just the same. Yeah. So you have to just tell yourself, say, boy, just continue to believe and hold on to your belief. So Miss Yolanda saying, Patrick, the answer is you have to, it's a faith is deep. Yeah. In God and his promise. Yes. Yeah, so you have to just tell yourself, say, spiritually, as a believer, we Jamaicans, we grew up in the church. Even if we not go to church when we are adult now, but because we grew up in the church, we still know so there is a God. And whatever you place in your mind, that's what you believe. Right? So that's what you work with. Yeah. Moves you to act. Believe while really it is the foundation, but true faith in values active. Yes. So sorry, I am asking too much. No, you're not asking too much, you know. You're not asking too much. It's good to ask questions because if per se you want to know certain things, you have to ask questions. Questions were made to ask because 7 brother, 7 different mind. So if per se you believe to an extent, but for some reason you still probably want to ask question to know more, that is okay. Nothing is wrong with asking questions. That's how we learn. Yeah, later. That's how we learn, you understand? So nothing is wrong. We're not too young to learn and we're not too old to learn. You know? Every day we in a learning process same way. Miss Yolanda Wilson say, but true faith, yes. That's just how it is. Yeah. Yeah, so James 2:17, faith without works is dead. Yeah. My problem is sometimes you can believe in things that not true. All our life have faith in it also. Yeah. Yeah. Take for instance, that is why for me, me not really like Like if you're gonna go to a church, sometimes a person might not know right away, say, as they say, false prophet. We know that is real. But for yourself, you can talk to God, you can read your Bible, you know, find a place where you can say, all right, I strongly believe in God, I have faith in God, and all of these things. So, you know, a lot of persons are like Christians, but we don't transition as yet. But we are in our way because we're not doing anything bad. We're not doing anything. That's why they say many are called, but few are chosen. I think that means many are called from the church, but few are chosen. Because as they say, they speak about the false prophets. So that is why you're saying when it comes on to your beliefs, right? So you're thinking now that suppose we are thinking about Christ, and you know sometimes things aren't true, but we know that that is true because you know from what you hear about from way back in the days, from Jesus days coming down, and things that you see happening, you know that is true. Children having children, the Bible speaks about a lot of things that is playing out for real, for real. So the other day when the hurricane came, the other day, I'm telling you, I heard about Noah and the ark. And when the hurricane came, St. Elizabeth and all those places, some place where me see the house, them cover underwater. The whole place was flooded. People will have like upstairs house, like 3-story house. Them have to the way upstairs to prevent themselves from, you know, getting trapped in the water and stuff like that. So it brings me right back to Noah and the ark. So me said to myself, wow, you know, so that story they real about Noah and the ark? Yeah? Because when me look, me say, wow, look at that. Look how a place flood out. And in some areas it takes like probably say 2 months or 3 months for the water draw in some areas. So you know, on that side of the island, they experience something like that. Noah and the ark. Yeah, so God is real. He is real. When you look, even the roads look like a river. Gushing waters everywhere. Yeah. So, KK, thank you for the art emojis. So you want to know more, you know, you have to like start reading your Bible more. Go over to like Miss Yolanda talk a lot about God. If you go over KK channel to just see him, you get to find her husband talking about God as well. You know, you can relate to some of what's going on and make your faith be stronger in God. Yeah? Because a lot of times, some things where we go through, a God pull we out of it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. God pull we out of it, I'm telling you. So we just have to have faith and believe in Him. But once we have faith and believe in Him, He will be there for us. Him say when one set of footprints in the sand, you're looking for Him, He's the one who is carrying you. So that footprint is His footprint, not yours. Right? So Patrick say, explain to my explain to my the first time you come in contact with God, was it a sign that happened? Italian say, okay sis, I am back. LOL. Had to record my breakfast. Okay, Italian. Yeah. Miss Yolanda say, Patrick, come join my channel and I can explain. Yes, you can go over to Miss Yolanda so that you can get more clarity about, you know, the scriptures and everything about God. You can know, you know, and stuff like that as well. Yeah. KK normally talks about God as well. Yeah, so those two persons normally, you know, they have like preaching and stuff like that on their channel. Yeah. So you can go over and check them out. Italian, Miss Wilson, KK, and others, other content creators on here as well. Italian said just cooked eggs and Italian bread with butter. That's supposed to taste good, and sausage. I haven't had breakfast as yet. I don't know what I'm gonna have now. KK, thank you for the heart emojis, the heart hugs emojis. Miss Yolanda say, don't want to take over Abigail's channel. I will give you a word of God when I accept Jesus Christ in my life as Lord and Savior. The change in my life tells the difference. Yeah, man, of course. The change in your life will tell the difference. Because even KK probably can relate to what Miss Yolanda is saying. Because normally, they say when you transition from, you know, being a sinner to becoming a Christian, your life changes. If per se you were a sinner and nothing never did go on like that for you, or maybe something was going on but it wasn't enough, right? And you turn to God and you believe in God, and you believe and know say, you know, while you're there, you just watch your life change for the better and stuff like that. I normally hear people talk about that, how God changed them life for the better and stuff like that. They normally say, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on to become a Christian? What are you waiting on to serve God? You know? Yeah. So we have to just know, say, well then, yes. Patrick, last question. That question is for Miss Wilson. Yes, so explain this Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, or is it three different or one? It's one. It's one. I think it's one. Thank you for the likes, guys. Italian say amen. Miss Yolanda. Yeah, of course. A lot of us can relate to what Miss Yolanda is saying. Some of us, we are not Christian, but some of the time, or I would say all the time, we watch God work in our life. Yeah? You talk to God and you say, boy, God, you know, say, would I love to see this work out for me? Even days the day where you get up and you can't find food. And by the day done, by the day fit done, you have food. Any little thing where they way, boy, you know, say this a happen, that a happen, and you ask God for just direct thy path, yes? You're frightened to see how God work in your life. You're frightened to see how God work in your life. I am a strong believer in God. I am telling you. I have a faith that one of the time when me there at work, one lady said to me, say, oh, your faith so strong. Me say, yeah, I have faith in God. Because she was worried that when we leave work, she was wondering if her pay reach, because she wonder how she gonna come to work the next morning and stuff like that. So me say, no man, money there the machine, man. Don't worry yourself. Money there the machine. She there afraid. So me say, no worry yourself, man. Money there the machine. She say, how you know say money there the machine? Me say, me don't know about it there. So when me go in there first and go try, me dey get. And then when me come out now, she say, Miss Malcolm, you know easy, you know. Where you get that faith there from? Me say, God. I get that faith from God, I'm telling you. Yeah. I know you believe in God and walk by faith. He is listening to everything you talk. You talk to him. Yeah, you talk to him. Once you talk to him, he will listen. You know? I am going to hop off. Okay, Miss Yolanda. See you next time. Thank you so much for joining this morning. I'm going to hop off. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, yeah? To hop off now. Love you all and have a great, blessed Friday, everyone. Same to you. as well. And KK say happy birthday to Miss Yolanda. Yes, every one of us wish you a great day. Yeah. KK say, I am doing something so I can't do much texting. Okay, KK, I remember you're at work. My girl, once a day here, man, you're good. Yeah, I'm happy you're here. I know when you have the time, once you have the time, you are gonna come over, come and see Abby, we know, KK, yeah? Italian, anytime Italian, and Lati, KK, Italian, Miss Wilson, even, Classic. You see, once Classic not too busy, Classic will be coming over. She surprised me the other day. She came over. She came over. I think it was in the night. Yes. She came over. Give me a visit. Yeah. I know you guys love me, yeah? I know you do. I love you guys as well. All of my persons who normally come over, silent watchers, you're in the bushes, so I don't know your name, but thank you for always supporting as well. Yeah, everybody who normally join the live. I know that it's Christmas and sometimes time can get so busy and things like that. Even for me, right now, me still edit the channel up to last night. After me done tidy up one section, cook, and me did sit down, me say, alright, me see what me can do now. And me did and me try do some more editing and stuff like that. And something, so, yeah. Did I do that as well? Yeah. I try to see what I miss. If I miss any of the comments, then yeah. It was good talking to you guys this morning, though. I had fun. Bediana as well. When Bediana ready, she come over, come look for me. Yeah. And Nelly. Yeah, Nelly as well come over when she have the time as well. She come over, come visit. Yeah, man. May I look see if I miss nothing. That's how it is, though, it is good to it is good when you can say alright. It is good when you can say alright, you want to know more and you're asking questions. So Italian say by Yolanda. Yeah. Patrick say mostly people turn to or remember God when they are sick. Hey, you touch on a good point. Some of us will remember God when something go wrong. That is the time we remember God. Yeah. And he is such a loving God. Thank you for the arts that was going up. He's such a loving God because even though You no remember him them the time when you did alright. But when you're sick, you remember him. And you're calling upon him because what? You no feel good and you're in a pain and something. Him a go still have mercy for you. So you see, there is a God. Him a go still have mercy for you. And him a go still do what he do for you. Same way. Even though you never remember him. Yeah? So in times of trouble, when sickness come, that's when most of the time persons remember God. Amen. Sickness or problems. Because what? They want God to get them out of the situation. And you see, as soon as God get them out of the situation, then God back again like it was nothing. Days pass, weeks pass. Then I remember if I say, thank you, Jesus, for waking me up this morning. Then I remember if I say, oh God, have mercy upon my soul. Then I remember if I say one little prayer. If anything happened to them again, you see them going back again. Look here. I have seen persons, and I know a lot of persons can relate to this. I have seen persons turn Christian when they are in problems. And you see, as soon as the problem gone, then turn back. I have seen those things as well. But God is a merciful God. Him still, that's why I say me I got turn Christian, you know. But me want to make sure no say when me turn Christian, me not have no turn back a turn back. You understand? You're in it for the long haul. You don't want go turn Christian and then 1 foot in and 1 foot out. That don't make no sense. You understand? So you have to be in it for the long haul. I'm not saying that persons are perfect, but you have to try and see how best you can hold on upon God when you say you're a Christian, when you turn Christian. You hold on to him with both hands. And if you slip, you joke back yourself and you say, God, forgive me. It's a learning process, and time to come, you will be rooted and grounded. Yes. So as the time progresses, you're growing at Jesus, you're growing at Jesus, you're growing at Jesus, you're growing at Jesus until that transition comes where you're no longer, because you know when you just turn Christian, things that you used to do from the past, like maybe the curse words and so, that not go at the same time, it not go leave the same time. You go there, probably no one then you slip and say something, but you say, God forgive me, and as you grow, them something they will leave you. Those things will leave you eventually. So just hold on to him with both hands, because he knows that we're not perfect. He knows we are not perfect beings, but he will still be there for us and forgive us, and all of the things them way he would have normally do for us. Yeah. So Italian say, I will definitely be here. My sister, I love seeing your happy face. I love you. My sister, you have a beautiful soul. Yeah, we all have to have a beautiful soul. Yeah, we have to love each other, Try to be there for each other. Respect each other. Love one another as you would love yourself. And guys, you have to love yourself first before you can love someone else. Because a lot of us, we don't love ourselves. It's the truth. Sometimes you have some persons out there who don't love themselves. You know, they're going through issues. They probably blame themselves for issues that happen, and they don't love themselves. But you know, by the grace of God, hope for the new year, that will change. Start loving you. Start smiling. Start being happy. Whatever it is that happened in your life in the past, try to put it behind you. Try to be happy. Always have a smile on your face. Yeah, in your heart somewhere, you're sad, but try to get past that sadness. Yes. KK say, Abby, you know that I was bad words. Yeah, KK. Me say, a whole heap of people. Because you know, sometimes some of us, you know, we are ruffian out the road, you know. May I tell you, you know. No for we turn Christian, you know. We are ruffian out the road. We know a lot of people. We stay so. Them are ruffian out the road. Yeah. And them gradually change. Transition. You have to do with transition. You just take time, grow in a God, grow in a God, grow in a God. Until you no longer do the things that you would normally do when you were in the world, when you were out in the world, you know. So that is a process where everybody have to pass through, but you have to have faith. There comes faith again. You have to have faith in God, and believe you can do it. Faith. Yeah. And you see, temptation is the next thing again. But you have to just hold on to Jesus and hold your composure and know, say, yes, God are going to make it work. And just like how when we are grow up, we parents would have say, don't do this, don't do that, and you have to follow the rules and regulations of your parents. That's God. You have to follow the rules, you know. Yeah. Curse, and from I baptize, I have used one. God is able to change you totally. Yeah. God is able to change you totally. Me I tell you, say, me know people, man. Me know people way stay like that. And me I tell you, say, sometimes when I look back on it, alright, look on our great singer. Look on our great singer. She tell herself, say, look here, this is a road I am going to take for the rest of my life. And she's doing it and doing it well. Yeah. You know who me I talk? From, me I tell you, say, when me look on it and me say, from persons where did a ruffian can transition and become Christians, you know, woman of God, man of God, you know, and I serve God well, you know, anybody can do it. Anybody can do it, I'm telling you. Yeah. Anybody can do it. You have to just have faith. You go for charge, I go charge the phone and I am gonna go in the kitchen. You have faith, man. Faith move mountain, yeah? So the first thing again, you know what makes most persons turn back sometimes, you know, are because when them go to church and anything happen, normally sometimes they look down on them. So you know, sometimes that, you know, them normally put them a back bench. But you know, I think what they should do is just pray with them. Nobody put them a back bench, because nobody not perfect. Just pray with them and hope that. So may I charge the phone now, guys, because the phone was dying a while ago. So just pray with them and help them forget past what happened and see if them can come back. You know? See if they can come back to serving the Lord the way how they would normally serve God. Because at the end of the day, no one is perfect. And if you're going to take a person and put them a back bench in the church because of something that they did, the person are going to just tell themselves, say, you know, because you know, once you take them, put them a back bench, sometimes them are going to just take time, slip away out of the church. So it don't make no sense then put them a back bench. Just keep them at the front same way and try to get them back on the right path. That's what they should do. Yeah. So guys, it was great talking with you this morning. And KK, may I tell you, this talk this morning that we have was great. Yeah, we have a great conversation this morning. Guys, most of the time this is how I am. And I am very passionate about a lot of things. I am passionate about God and I am passionate about a lot of things. So, happy birthday to Miss Yolanda again. And guys, we are going to go over there. We are going to go over Miss Yolanda today. You know, I go over there, go watch something for her as well. And I go over there. I go keep on checking to see when she go live, so that we can go over there and say happy birthday to her as well when she go live. And tomorrow is Lottie birthday. Shirley Lottie. Yes, so she was on here as well. Yes, she said she gonna do some painting. So tomorrow is her birthday. We have to go over there. Well, I'll go over there go watch something for Lottie, but Lottie, well, probably she might come on the live tomorrow, so we can wish her happy birthday. I'll go watch something for her as well, so we can go over there and show her some support. And you know, after me finish, I'll go watch something for you guys as well. And I am telling you, Patrick said thanks from answering. Thanks for answering my questions. Yes, Miss Yolanda answer most of the questions and so on, you know, and KK and Italian, and I did also. You're welcome, Patrick. We're here anytime you want to come over. And whether you want to go on KK's channel, Miss Yolanda, Italian, or any one of our content creators that you see on here, we are all one. Yes, cause we do visit our one another community. We are all, so I would say we are like a family from different communities. Yes, we visit each other's community, and this is how we show each other love. Yes, so KK is saying bye. Bye bye, KK. KK is at work, guys. Thank you, KK, for coming over. Thank you, guys, for your support. KK say bye, Abby, and everyone in the chat. So, bye bye, and see you guys later on. One love from A and I. Yes, it was a great morning. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the arts that was going up. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for everything, guys. Happy birthday again to Miss Yolanda Wilson. Have a great day. Yeah? Enjoy your birthday. Bye, everyone.